So we're at Animal Kingdom, and I'm going to be taking a video of what Avatar Land looks like currently, and some of the River of Lights kind of thing, the tree. So keep me posted.
So this building coming up, I saw on the bus to Animal Kingdom. This is almost guaranteed the area where guests will be able to ride on a Banshee, kind of like Soarin', and it looks like it's definitely going underway.
So here's a little bit of Avatar Land from the main entrance. See the greenery everywhere. It's actually really tall. Train. Okay, so this is from the Rainforest Cafe and opening that door.
Pretty well qualified.
This is Tiffins right here. And people have been coming out of that door. So here is more seating area. The Asia side. That beautiful float. So this is definitely a handicap ramp to get to the show. It's definitely one of the walkways. There's still a wall up. It's very beautiful with the lights. The lights are on. You can see from across the way, the other side. It's very beautiful. Same location, most likely Fast Pass right here and Fast Pass right there. So Fast Pass seating right here.
Alright, they're gonna meet us.
Perfect. So there is a dock area. I've never seen those two like wooden areas right there. Two areas with the wall kind of thing. Walls over there. Walls over there. In front of the dino lanes. So we have this here. Looks like they're going to do something that is in need of lights. So it looks like something's going on here. These kinds of lights keep popping up. Over there too. So there is kind of construction here too. Looks like these would be lights. I have no clue, but this entire area right here, right underneath the tree of life. A couple more things up here. Yes, this stuff is different than the green things. So there is stuff happening right above us.
Daddy, this is the thing. Daddy, this is. What? Daddy, this is.
So over here, green, looking over. Blasting construction through that thing. So Tree of Life, that's the exit of Tough to Be a Bug. But that green area I showed before, looks like it's either a new path gonna happen or something over here, for sure. So this is where that entrance is of the strip that I just told you about.
Let me go tell you my snap.
Looks like something's going on in here. Gonna be a new species. I don't know where you can see over it. It's this entire thing right before the bats, the fruit bats. Really dark in here, but those are is it chemical formulas, or these are the chemical formulas for ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise.
Yeah, that was so cool. They're loud and proud right above your head. They go. Now we have two birds hanging out here. This is Torch and Calypso, and they are a pair of scarlet macaws. They like to hang out here for a little bit, but we'll be hanging around if you have any questions. Otherwise, enjoy the rest.